Hi everyone, it's the first week of the new year and we continue with the weekly expert live classes series. In today's episode, Wealthy Affiliate has lined up a few live classes for this coming week of January 3rd to the 9th of 2022. To watch any of these live classes, you have to be a Premium or Premium Plus Wealthy Affiliate member. Although some of the live classes are also available to the free starter members too. So go down to the video description below and click on the link to join Wealthy Affiliate and watch these classes with valuable lessons. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. Choosing a niche can be difficult. There are so many to choose from. So, how do you find the right niche that will be your successful and profitable business? On January 8, 2022, expert trainer Jay will show you his niche research process. This is done live. So you'll see how he does his niche research during this live class. He will show you exactly how to find a profitable niche for your online business. Are you doing the make money online niche or keen to get into this niche? Carl, the co-founder of Wealthy Affiliate, shares his over 15 years of knowledge and experience with you during this live class. MMO is a niche where the opportunities are vast. In this live class, Carl will dissect this niche and show you some high-yielding research strategies that can produce incredible keywords, affiliate programs, and opportunity insights. Are you doing YouTube videos? Are you using screencasting for your videos? Eric is doing a bonus class where he will show you every screencasting software, and also he will show you the ins and outs of the screencasting software that he uses, that is ScreenFlow. If you're not using Canva, you're missing out on a valuable online tool that can help you immensely with your business. In this live class, Vitaly introduces the Canva website and shows you how it works. He will recommend its many users and show you how it can help you grow your blogs, websites, social media outreach, and more. Plus, he will cover how to set up a single image for blogs and keyword target it for ranks and traffic. Every week, Wealthy Affiliate adds more training that covers important business and digital marketing topics, strategies, and tactics. While they do have 2 core courses, this platform is so much more than that because of the live classes. As you have seen in this video, this week's live classes covered topics such as niche research, focusing on the make money online niche, and all about screencasts and Canva. The live classes add to the 2 core courses, and there are thousands of them. They cover a wide range of topics such as business, web hosting, email marketing, video marketing, and more. That is why I find Wealthy Affiliates so worth it. And so do many of my peers and even university professors. So go join at least as a premium member. Go to the video description below and click on the link there now. Do you have any questions about the topic in this video? That is niche research basics, all about make money online, screencast and Canva, episode 2 of weekly expert live classes? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.